chapters in here, and one that jumps out is you call it second coming out. For folks who don't know, you're gay.
Yeah.
But you put a lot on the line because you win the Pulitzer Prize, and you come out and say, "I'm undocumented."
Yeah.
There are a lot of people hiding in the shadows. Why did you feel it was so important to say, "I must publicly come out and confront these policies"?
Well, first of all, right, there was no way of fixing it. I've been here since I was 12. I thought by the time I was 30, this was something I could fix. But there was no fixing it. Like, there's no path for someone like me, as connected as I am, as good of a resume I have, there's no path for someone like me to get, quote-unquote, legal. So when I started talking to lawyers, 20 lawyers, all of them said, you cannot publicly say that you have been committing fraud and breaking laws. The moment they kept saying that, you know what I kept thinking about? Actually, this is in the book, Toni Morrison.
Mm-hmm.
The moment I realized that it was against the law for me to stay here, you know, if it wasn't kind of understanding and reading what James Baldwin, the title actually is an allusion to Notes of a Native Son. I mean, that book like woke me up when I was in high school. And this idea that the master narrative of not just America, but the way we talk about immigration in this country, about people thinking that for some people I'm quote unquote illegal, I'm a criminal. Well, wait a second, who created the laws? Why are the laws the way that they are? You know, the title of the book is Citizen, right? Like, you cannot separate who we consider citizens of this country with what we consider legal in this country.
And you've been paying a couple of taxes.
Okay, I have paid so much taxes, I should be a Republican. Right? I'm happy to pay the taxes because you know why? I love public schools. I'm a product of public schools. Actually, this is how crazy it is. A few months ago, they're naming an elementary school after me. I grew up in Mountain View, which is pretty crazy.
Wow.
It's a public school. Then I met the principal, Dr. Mike Jones, a black educator from Virginia. I love that. Like, the principal of Jose Antonio Vargas Elementary School is this African-American man who grew up in Virginia. And how we're going to educate those kindergarten to fifth graders, how we talk to them about immigration and race and identity and who constructs power and legality in this country. Like, look, they can deport me all they want. I mean, they can deport me by just being here. But Jose Antonio Vargas is going to be there right in Mountain View, not too far from Google.
Folks, the book is called Dear America, Notes of an Undocumented Citizen. Of course, I know you have to go to an event. We're going to have a a longer conversation when we get to D.C.
Thanks for everything.
But I certainly appreciate it. Congratulations on the book.
Thank you.
And tell all hello at your event you're going to at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, I will do that.
Tell Maria, in the host, I said what's up.
Absolutely.
All right, folks.